Cup of tea. Not something that a person would do. For example, cooking has never been Rachel's cup of tea. Stick to your guns. To stay morally strong or be firm in decisions, especially when being opposed. For example, the lawyer asked Rakesh to stick to his guns if he wants to win the case. Speak of the devil. A phrase used to refer to a person who appears as soon as they are being mentioned. For example, speak of the devil, here he comes. Leave no stone unturned. To look everywhere without missing a spot or to take every effort possible to achieve something. For example, the police were determined not to leave any stone unturned. Clouds on the horizon. Problems or trouble. For example, Vishnu sensed that there were multiple clouds on the horizon. A blessing in disguise. Something that you think is bad but turns out to be a blessing. For example, me catching a cold was a blessing in disguise. Blue in the face. To be exhausted due to strain or anger. For example, Usha looked blue in the face after the marathon. Make a long story short. To say something in simple words in a brief manner. For example, we decided to cut the long story short and tell them what actually happened at the mall. Beating a dead horse. Overdoing something or an action that is pointless. For example, she was just beating a dead horse and thinking she could change his mind. Let sleeping dogs lie. To stop discussing something that is already over or sorted out. For example, the police had warned us to let sleeping dogs lie and move ahead with our lives.